Tom from Tom's Tunes. We're going to show you a quick trick for getting steering wheels off. This is a beautiful steering wheel. It's on an old console. It's going into the dump, but I want to get this off. Sometimes they're really stubborn. What we have is a nut and washer that's going to come off. I've already loosened that. It should be tightened down. Take that off. And then what we have in here is a system. If we get a closer look, we have a key in here. It's a little brass key that's holding your steering in the right position. What I need to do, if it's not just pulling right off, I'm going to take WD-40, PB Blast, something to loosen up, give it a spray right on the key, right in that little slot. You can let it sit at that point. Once I've hit that with some lubricant or the PB Blast, something to loosen up that key, then I'm going to take either a punch, maybe a nail, something small enough to fit in here, and I'm just going to lightly tap side to side on that key. So I'm just hitting the key. It's a half, it looks like a half of a moon or a half circle that's lodged into the steering shaft. I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to work on wiggling, turning, to loosen up. If that's not coming yet, then I'll tap it a few more times, and then as a worst case, I can take a pry bar and just work in behind and start to lever just gently, and then I'll be able to get my steering wheel off. When you look at how this is set up, it'll make more sense. Our steering shaft, there's a key that's lodged in there, and it just gets corroded over time. So a little bit of lubricant or PB Blast, that punch is going to just loosen this up to free it up so that everything can come apart. Save yourself the hassle. Give that a try when you're switching out your console and you want to keep your old steering wheel, especially when it's a nice one like that Destroyer wheel.